The Kanagawa Hydropower Plant is an under-construction pumped-storage hydroelectric power plant near Minami-Eki in Nagano Prefecture and Ueno in Gunma Prefecture, Japan. The power plant utilizes the Minami-Eki River along with an upper and lower reservoir created by two dams, the Upper Minami-Eki Dam and the Lower Ueno Dam. The power station in between the two dams will contain 470 megawatts, 630,000 HP, pump generators for a total installed capacity of 2,820 megawatts, 3,780,000 HP. Unit 1 commenced commercial operation in 2005 and Unit 2 in 2012. When completed, the plant will have the second largest, after Bath County pumped storage station, pumped storage power capacity in the world. In July 1993, the Kanagawa Hydropower Field Survey Office was initiated, and in July 1995, the power plant was approved by the Electric Power Development Coordination Council. In May 1997, construction on the project began, and by October 2003, the area behind the Ueno Dam was being inundated with water, and the next year, the Minami-Eki Dam's reservoir began to fill as well. Both dams were completed and the upper reservoir was filled by 2004. The first generator was commissioned on December 22, 2005 and the second on June 7, 2012. The remaining units are scheduled for commissioning by 2020. The power station is 1,600 feet 490 meters underground and measures 708 feet 216 meters long, 108 feet 33 meters wide, and 169 feet 52 meters high. It will contain 6 470 megawatts pump generators for a total capacity of 2,820 megawatts. Water from the upper Minami-Eki reservoir is transferred through the powerhouse, and after producing electricity, it is brought to the lower Ueno reservoir. The pump generators can then pump water from the lower reservoir back up to the upper reservoir for reuse in hydroelectric power production. The water tunnel connecting the two reservoirs is 3.8 miles, 6.1 kilometers, long. The power station also has an effective hydraulic head of 653 meters, 2,142 feet, and maximum discharge of 510 cubic meters per second, 18,000 cu feet/s. The Minami-Eki Dam is located in Nagano Prefecture and is a 136 meters, 446 feet, high and 444 meters, 1,457 feet, long rockfill dam. It is made of 7,300,000 cubic meters, 9,500,000 CUID, of material and withholds a 19,170,000 cubic meters, 677 million CUFT, reservoir. The Ueno Dam, in Gunma Prefecture, is a 120 meters, 390 feet, high and 350 meters, 1,150 feet, long concrete gravity dam. It is made of 720,000 cubic meters, 940,000 CUID, of material and withholds a 18,400,000 cubic meters, 650 million CUFT, reservoir.